The children who are not able to get vaccinated because of their age should follow, their parents should follow with them, the guidelines of the CDC, that unvaccinated children of a certain age, greater than 2 years old, should be wearing masks. No doubt about that. That's the way to protect them from getting infected, because if they do, they can then spread the infection.
What we're trying to do is to just put politics aside. This is no time for politics. This is a public health issue, and viruses and public health don't know the difference between a Democrat, a Republican, or an independent. Here we have a vaccine that's highly, highly effective. It's easy to get, it's free, and it's readily available. So, you've got to ask, what is the problem? Get over it. Get over this political statement. Just get over it and try and save the lives of yourself and your family.
Conservative is more hesitant about government authority. That's just the nature of it. And so I think in southern states and some rural states, you have that more conservative approach, skepticism about government. And we just have to answer it just like we have all through history, that you overcome skepticism and mistrust by truth.
And what we really need to do at this point is to make vaccination the easy choice. It needs to be hard for people to remain unvaccinated. Right now, it's kind of the opposite. It's fine. I mean, it's easy if you're unvaccinated. You can do everything you want to do anyway.
One of the ways to do that is to get trusted messengers without any political ideology differences out there.
If you are a Republican voter, do not listen to people like Marjorie Taylor Greene. The vaccine is safe. COVID is real. Get vaccinated.
If everything is reopened, then what's the carrot going to be? How are we going to incentivize people to actually get the vaccine? So that's why I think the CDC and the Biden administration needs to come out a lot bolder and say, if you're vaccinated, you can do all these things. Here are all these freedoms that you have.
What I've been telling people is we don't need a government mandate. We need people to talk to your doctor, talk to the folks at your hospital, ask them.
I do think it's time to start mandating vaccines. And I think that private industry and private organizations will do that.
Let's not forget that we already mandate vaccination for children to go to school. So this is not a new concept.
I know,
right?
I know, but you know the politics, right? The military, by the way. Yeah, I mean, they require...
The military.
Yeah.
And as a clinician, I can't work in a hospital unless somebody asks me what my hepatitis status is.
A decision that we are making. That's not that is not our intention from the federal government. There will be decisions made by private sector entities, by universities, by educational institutions, and even perhaps by local leaders, should they decide that is how to keep their community safe. If they decide to make that decision, we certainly support them in